Hey guys, welcome to our call. In this video, we are going to cover Sophos AI, which is the new feature in Sophos, and we have two types of analyst, or the you can say agent. So one agent would do the security analysis work like React investigations, response from the Sophos tag GR, and like these many things, kind of the L1, L2, or maybe L3 up to. And there is a threat hunter, which is like the getting data from your Sophos XDR and you want to find something. So let's find out. So what actions I can perform? Okay, that's the serious thing. So we got the better idea like what this tool actually do. The response with AI. I'm not very sure like what they are using. So yeah. So these many things you can do specifically from the attendant for the thread group name across all the endpoints. If you have the thread group's name, display or firewall detections for the last week, search file login attempts in Windows, past 500, identify all user access by the users. Okay, let's try it is saying accessed by all users. So let's see if it can give some URL list or like how does it work. So I kind of found it cool. Like I have worked with the CrowdStrike as well, and the CrowdStrike AI is like if I can say suppose 10 to search URL X by user across the environment where I need to rinse. So it's just need last okay. So last 5 hours. So the thing is what I was saying is like CrowdStrike AI is very basic in terms of this service renting AI. So what usually you have to do is like go to the Sopo like CrowdStrike enzymes and write query manually. Maybe you can take the help to write the queries, but yeah, you can talk with Sophos in the natural languages. So again, it's giving the wrong output probably. Let me check. So yeah, oh no, guys, this has given me the IP addresses and the time when we visited and exact URL. So this is kind of good feature. I'm not very sure this include all the URL, but probably this should include all the URL as well. Yeah. So this was the features in Sophos threat hunting, like what you can do. Let's move to the overview again. Just go to the Sophos AI Assistant and let's start with the security analyst, like how does it work. So I started investigations by selecting the case. I have selected the case. So now there was multiple like questions that I'm just trying to copy what I can perform. How was this can detected? So we will ask like, okay, why this case or the detections was there, and what was the files, what was the root cause, what actions user perform, like all the questions you have in the suppose or either the L3 or L2 minds you can ask here and it will give you the clear answer. So I'm pretty much familiar with the this is a big thing. The initial detections for this case was triggered by the critical threat severity 10 flagged by the this is the malware blah 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 and then see cmxl.com. So yeah, cool. Like I kind of like this feature. Okay. So the last option was very cool. It can analyze the live process on the device. Okay, like okay, if there is something going on, they're saying the file as is the Sophos Labs is saying the reputation score is 30. So it has checked the review user login events. Yeah, it's kind of I'm literally saying I'm trying this first time myself as well, and I'm pretty impressed with this specific features which other CDRs should absolutely have it. So usually what happens like in these days, people will like anyways everybody is going to use AI. So people will use the Apple LLM model and they are not connected to the Sophos. So they will add the queries. Then there you have to go to back to your EDR or the SIM vendor. You type that query again and then you come back to the LLM model and ask the questions same ways. Yeah. So there were no failed login attempts till now because I have not done any review the network. Okay, kind of very cool. Just want to finish this video, but again, this feature is specifically I will use it later as well in the critical detections as well. But yeah, this feature is pretty much to go for the Sophos instead of already on the XDR. Okay, guys, let's wait for the this response and then we will conclude our video and our course as well. This will be the last video of our course, and after that, probably I will cover few more things specifically, which would be in the DNS protections, which we already covered it. So leave that. And then there is a protected browser and ZTNA, which I wanted to cover, and then email security in thread. So for product of Sophos, we will be covering it soon. Okay, guys, thanks for the watching our videos and supporting us. Keep your support with us, and we'll be giving you a great content which is available on multiple core platform for free. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day.